Alright, so we're at the Porsches. This is probably the Porsche Boxster, if I'm not wrong, because it does look like a Porsche Boxster. Oh, it's a Carrera. It's a Cayman, sorry. So this is a Cayman, sorry. It does look nice. It's very nice. It has a manual shift knob as well. One of the survival manual transmission Porsches. Right here we have again the Cayman, but convertible, if I'm not wrong. Oh, this is the Boxster. What the hell, man? So the Cayman looks like the Boxster. I think I need to go back and relearn my Porsche models because I'm having a lot of difficulties. So this is the Porsche Boxster, offered in manual transmission. Very nice. I would take manual transmission. So this is kind of fake aerodynamic. Don't want one.
Okay, how do I see the ear?
That's pretty cute. It has headlight washers here. Alright, let's check out the other Porsches. So this one, come on, it must be a Macan, no? Yeah, there's a Macan. So usually all the Porsches are locked, so you cannot see the inside, so you have to look. This is the Macan, so this is the base model. And you have the same dash and same cluster on most of the Porsches. This is the Panamera, the 4-door luxury Porsche. Oh, so this is the model 2017. They changed kind of the headlight right here. And as always, you have huge calipers. God damn. This looks like the 4S. Oh, is it? Turbo. Oh, yeah. This is turbo model. Putting pressure on Morat's points lead. 20 Air Quebec and its legendary 10-turn facility was up next for the GT3 drivers. Returning to Platinum Cup competition was the another Panamera right here. And the number 27 of Valerie Shakeso. Aggressively. This one is the Cayenne hybrid. Never look back as he climbed to the top step. With a points battle neck and neck between Morat and Hargrove, their competitors. So to represent its hybrid, they have this green lime caliper painted. Setting his motor temperatures to an all-time high. Morat drove to a commanding spin and a points lead. It's connected. This is the 911 Turbo S. Got them very nice. Numerous times, these two young road racers at the top of their games swapped the lead and would use up all their cars had for one last time. Zach Robichaux, though, played it cool. He drove to a smart victory as the season. Very nice LED accent to it. Double LED stripes. Yo, almost all the cars have LEDs now, right? What? It's fucking big calipers, man. No, you should see the Panamera Turbo is even bigger. The calipers?
No, I didn't mean the calipers. Central one lock whole thing.
Yeah, it's a 1-inch special socket that you have to buy if you want to change your own rim.